We have a play student from QSpiders. Her name is Sakshi. We'll have an intro session with her right now. So, Sakshi, what have you studied earlier before you joined the QSpiders?
I completed my B.Tech in 2024.
2024. In the background of?
B.Tech in Computer Science.
Okay, nice. So, when did you join QSpiders?
In the month of July 2024.
In the month of July 2024. Okay, how was your journey in QSpiders?
It was very helpful. I learned manual testing, automation testing, SQL and API. Your trainer was very good and mock training was also good.
Good. What would you tell for the future students who want to study software testing?
In future student, it was very helpful for trainer. You ask from trainer every question, they will help every day.
Are you happy with QSpiders?
Yes, I am very happy.